Freelancing gives you freedom over your time, your clients, and your income. But with that freedom comes financial complexity. You're no longer just working for a paycheck. You're managing invoices, tracking expenses, preparing for taxes, and navigating inconsistent income, all by yourself. The good news, you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to manage your money like a pro. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 free budgeting and finance tools every freelancer should know about. These tools will help you invoice clients, get paid faster, track your spending, and plan your finances with confidence. And yes, they all have free plans, and the links are in the description below if you want to check them out after the video. Let's jump in. Tool 1, Wave. Wave is an all-in-one accounting platform made for freelancers and small business owners, and it's completely free. It's like having a personal accountant tracking every dollar without the cost. With Wave, you can send unlimited professional, customizable invoices branded with your logo and colors, set recurring invoices for ongoing projects, and track each invoice's status, sent, viewed, overdue, or paid, giving you real-time cash flow visibility. Accept credit card and ACH payments easily, speeding up client payments and improving cash flow. Track income and expenses by manually entering transactions or connecting your bank account. Automatically categorize transactions using smart tech that learns your habits, saving hours of manual entry and giving a clear financial picture. Generate tax-ready reports like profit and loss or balance sheets with just a few clicks, perfect for accountants or DIY taxes. Connect your bank account for seamless, up-to-date transaction imports. Wave offers a professional interface, customizable invoices, and real-time finance tracking, all free. It replaces clunky spreadsheets and expensive software, letting you focus on your work. If manual tracking drains you, Wave is a must-have to streamline invoicing and bookkeeping. Sign up free via the link below and start right away. Tool 2, Wise. If you work internationally, Wise, formerly TransferWise, is also an essential. Unlike banks or platforms that charge huge fees and bad exchange rates, Wise makes cross-border payments simple, cheap, and transparent. Wise offers local bank account details in major currencies such as USD, GBP, EUR, AUD, letting clients pay you with local transfers and no wire fees. This means you receive full payment without hidden deductions. Currency conversion at the true mid-market rate, plus a small, clear fee, saving you big compared to traditional banks. Low upfront fees with no surprises, helping you price your services accurately. Hold over 40 currencies in one digital account, perfect for saving or paying suppliers in local currencies without extra conversions. Fast, secure international transfers, many within seconds or a day, using bank-level security. For example, a UK client can pay your GBP Wise account locally. You get the money instantly, then convert at a great rate, saving you and your client time and money. Setup is free and quick with simple identity verification. Get started with Wise through the link below and unlock smooth, affordable global payments for your freelance business. Tool 3, Payoneer. A powerful payment tool for freelancers working with global marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Airbnb, or receiving direct international payments from diverse clients. While Wise excels at direct bank-to-bank transfers, Payoneer shines by aggregating payments from multiple sources, especially major freelance platforms. With Payoneer, you can accept payments in multiple currencies such as USD, EUR, GBP, JPY, CAD, AUD, and more, giving clients or platforms the ability to pay you as if you had a local bank account. This avoids international wire fees on their end and ensures you receive the full amount. You can receive funds from platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Airbnb, and Amazon. Payoneer acts as a central hub for all these earnings, simplifying your financial overview. This is invaluable for freelancers with diverse income streams. You can withdraw your funds directly to your local bank account in your preferred currency with a straightforward process and competitive fees, allowing quick access to earnings. For added flexibility, Payoneer offers an optional prepaid MasterCard linked to your account, letting you spend your earnings anywhere MasterCard is accepted, online, in stores, or at ATMs. This is useful if you want fast access to funds without waiting for transfers or prefer to separate freelance income from personal accounts. Payoneer also makes requesting payments from direct clients easy. You can send professional payment requests via email, and clients can pay using local bank transfers in some regions, credit cards, or other Payoneer accounts. accounts. This streamlines invoicing and adds professionalism to client interactions. What sets Payoneer apart is its role as a virtual bank for international payments, bridging global clients or platforms with your local financial system, making it easy to get paid from almost anywhere. For freelancers aiming to expand globally, Payoneer provides essential financial support. Creating an account is free, with only small fees on receiving or withdrawing money, making it a cost-effective way to manage international earnings. Check the description below for the Payoneer sign-up link and simplify your global payments with this vital freelance finance tool. Tool 4, Bonsai. Bonsai is an all-in-one platform for freelancers that manages your entire client workflow beyond money. Its free plan covers key non-monetary features that legally and professionally protect your income. Think of it as your virtual business manager. You can create legally vetted contracts with e-signatures, avoiding disputes since verbal agreements or informal emails aren't enough. Bonsai's customizable contract templates clarify deliverables, timelines, and payment terms, protecting you from scope creep and payment issues. Signed contracts help ensure timely payment and avoid misunderstandings. You can send branded proposals and invoices, maintaining a professional, consistent brand image that builds trust. Bonsai's built-in time tracker logs hours against projects, ensuring you're paid for every minute, improves future quotes, and checks project profitability to avoid undercharging. It also acts as a mini CRM, storing client info, tracking project status, managing communications, and organizing your pipeline to keep workflows smooth and clients happy. Why it matters. Managing money starts with clear communication. Solid contracts and accurate time tracking prevent non-payment and lost hours. Bonsai automates these business essentials so you can focus on quality work and fair pay, building a professional structure that supports financial stability. The free plan covers basics for starting freelancers, especially contracts and invoicing, and scales as your business grows. Find the link to Bonsai's free plan in the description, an essential tool to protect and organize your freelance income. Tool 5, YNAB. YNAB, You Need a Budget, is a personal budgeting app designed for freelancers with irregular income, helping avoid feast or famine stress. Using zero-based budgeting, it assigns every dollar a job before you spend it, smoothing financial ups and downs. You assign dollars to categories like rent, taxes, tools, and savings to prevent impulse spending. YNAB teaches budgeting with money you have, not expect, encouraging you to age your money by saving from good months for slower ones. Set monthly goals for spending and saving to turn financial dreams into action. YNAB connects to your bank and credit cards, importing transactions and giving real-time insights to adjust your budget wisely. Ultimately, it reduces financial stress by giving you control and confidence over your money. YNAB isn't free forever, but offers a generous 34-day free trial with no credit card required. Enough time to build your budget system. Many users save more than the subscription fee during this trial. A link to the free trial is in the description. Try it and transform your budgeting as a freelancer. Here's how these 5 free tools create a complete freelance financial system with zero upfront cost. Let's say you land an international client. Use Bonsai to draft a contract with project details and payment terms, then send it for e-signature. Track billable hours with Bonsai to log time and measure profitability. When billing, create a branded invoice in Wave. For international payments, share Wise or Payoneer details. Wise handles local currency transfers with minimal fees. Payoneer consolidates platform payments like Upwork or Fiverr. Once funds hit Wise or Payoneer and reach your business bank, Wave auto imports transactions, tracking income and expenses like subscriptions or marketing. Wave's reports are tax ready, saving time. When money reaches your personal account, use YNAB to budget. Assign every dollar to categories like taxes, rent, or groceries, prepping for bills and smoothing income ups and downs. This builds confidence and reduces stress. Together, these tools cover contracts, invoicing, payments, bookkeeping, taxes, and personal budgeting, helping freelancers move from reactive to proactive money management, all for free. Quick recap of the tools. Wave offers invoicing, accounting, and tax-ready reports. Wise enables low-fee global payments. Payoneer consolidates international platform earnings. Bonsai handles contracts, time tracking, and proposals. YNAB helps budget personal income with a free trial. All links are in the description. These free tools help you plan better and gain financial stability. Freelancing doesn't mean disorganized finances. With smart systems, you can stay on track and build security. Use the links below to support the channel at no cost. Like and subscribe to Work Mode Tech for more tools and tutorials. Comment which tools you use or plan to try. Until next time, stay focused, financially sharp, and in work mode.